So, ladies, I need y'all to reason with me, right? And because, hey, I'm just a black man, I don't understand much, right? But one thing I do struggle with is simply this, right? Why do y'all wear weave? Like, why? Like, because enough of this, it's hard to maintain our hair and all this good stuff, right? I know some of y'all be capping because now they got these weaves where that you can have that fake baby hair on your forehead. You can put that on there, right? So the question I have for you now is it that you just don't like the way your hair looks in public? Is that really what's going on? Is it a self-esteem issue? Please let me know, because everywhere I go, I literally see just about every black woman with weave. And I need to understand exactly why that you guys wear weaves, right? Because at this point I don't understand, right? Like, have some pride in yourself. All right, how about this, right? Can you go one whole week to your workplace, right, without the weave? As a matter of fact, a whole month without weave. Can you go to a club every week without you wearing weave? Can you do that? If the answer is no, and this is not about laziness, ladies. Like, I'm just asking for 4 weekends, right, where you actually take care of your hair yourself, right? Can you actually do that? If the answer is no, then this lets me know that black women having a self-esteem issue. Period.